Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I'll be trying out some fashion colors on my gray hair. If you would like to see the results of this, then please keep watching. Okay, right here I'm just starting off with hair that I had shampooed previously, and it really doesn't have much product. Actually, the conditioner that I used, and I'm just showing you how much gray I have and what percentage I have going on. And as you can see, my hair is pretty dry. I used it was a Neutrogena. No, it's like a clarifying shampoo, basically, on anti-residue, I think it was called. And I just used a conditioner, a light conditioner, just to kind of detangle my hair because I couldn't do it without it. And right here, I'm just showing you my grays. Okay, right here, I'm just showing you that I've used Manic Panic Blue Steel, and I'm just opening the packaging. I was inspired by a couple of videos I saw on YouTube concerning fashion colors and gray hair. The only color that I've ever used in my entire life was, it was a Manic Panic Red, and I did have to bleach my hair for that, but that was so long ago. And I saw online where the people, mostly women, they had I guess used their gray hair, which they had a lot more than what I've got going on, and they toned it with the fashion colors without bleaching. So I decided to give it a try. So I said, you know what, that would make a good video and I don't have to damage or fry my hair. So I figured, why not give it a try? And that's what we're doing here. So right here, we're gonna find out that one bottle is one jar is not enough for my particular hair. Maybe if I had gotten 3. This particular brand is like 4 ounces for like what cost me like $12, so that probably would have brought me up to like 36 in total if I would have gotten 3, but I had no idea that 1 wouldn't be enough, which I could have thought about that a little bit more. But yeah, basically concentrating the color on my well, I have a lot of gray on the temples, and you can see that going on right here. Okay, so I'm just working that color through as much as I can. I'm basically only be able to put it in the front area, and so we're going to see the results of this in a few moments. As you can see here, we run out, so I'm just going to make the most of this situation. Right here, I'm just showing you a thermal cap. My sister bought me this years ago, and it's supposed to use the natural heat of your body to basically like a processing cap, but better. I don't know, but here are the results of the color. You barely can see it, even on my temples. The grays, the concentrated grays on my temple, it's not very noticeable. Actually, it's like it's not even there. So I says to myself, well, what if I tried a color that was really a lot more deeper than that? So I decided to go with my my Ion Tanzanite color, and it has a very blue purple, muscle blue purple base. And so right here I'm just using my Tresemme Conditioner Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, back to what I was saying. I was using my Tresemme Conditioner to try to dilute it because I didn't want it quite as strong. Plus, it adds more volume to the color because that color is pretty thick and pasty, and it's gonna make it where I have enough to cover my entire head this time. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm working in the front, and I'm going to work my way to the back, starting with the high concentration grays in the front. And actually I can see it better right here, but I'm just going to massage that into my hair and scalp until I get it thoroughly coated. Okay, right here I'm just showing you a close-up of my coverage, I guess you could say, and I'm just massaging it into my scalp, making sure I get it all the way down to the root so I can get every single gray hair on my head. And you're gonna see me working that out right here, and I'm gonna give you a shot of what it looks like once I've completed everything. Okay, right here is the completed processing look. As you can see, I am covered entirely, every strand of hair, and we're gonna see the results in a minute. Okay, right here I'm just showing you the results. It has a blue tinge to the hair that isn't gray, or maybe it is gray hair that I'm seeing that was actually had a blue tinge, especially in the sunshine. You know how those semi-permanents work. If you use it on dark hair, you can see like a hint of it in the sunlight. This picture here isn't doing it much justice, but it has like a blue tinge to it, so very unique, different. I don't really see many people in my age group with this particular shade, and I like it, you know. But when looking at these videos, this video here, I can see more grace than anything. I'm pretty sure if I would have sat underneath the dryer, I would have gotten more coverage, but these are my results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.